are pencils made? Have you ever wondered how a pencil is made? From the wood to the lead. There's a lot that goes into making this writing instrument. In today's video, we will take a look at how pencils are made from start to finish. So stay tuned. Step 1. Making the graphite core. The graphite core of a pencil is what allows it to produce those iconic black marks on paper. But where does this graphite come from? Graphite is a form of carbon that occurs naturally in the Earth's crust. It is often found in metamorphic rocks and is mined in much the same way as coal. Once the graphite has been extracted from the ground, it is purified and processed into a fine powder. This powder is then mixed with clay and other binders to create the right consistency for the graphite core. The mixture is then pressed into a thin rod shape and dried. The result is a hard, brittle stick that can be easily sharpened to a point. The next step is to coat the graphite core with a thin layer of wax. This helps to prevent the graphite from oxidizing and turning the pencil's mark black. The coated graphite core is then inserted into a hollow tube made of cedar wood. Cedar wood was originally chosen for pencil making because it is a strong, dense wood that is resistant to insects and decay. It also has a pleasant aroma which many people enjoy. Additionally, the natural oils in cedar wood help to lubricate the pencil's moving parts, making it easier to sharpen and use. Furthermore, cedar wood is a sustainable resource as it is a fast-growing tree that is commonly used in construction and furniture making. Using cedar wood for pencils also provides an opportunity to utilize waste wood from the construction industry, reducing waste and cost. Step 3. Adding the paint and label. Once the pencil has been assembled, it is ready for finishing touches. First, the pencils are painted with a variety of colors, including yellow, green, and red. These colors were chosen for their visibility and because they are associated with writing and education. In addition, the paint helps to protect the pencils from moisture and damage. After the paint has dried, the pencils are labeled with their grade, such as H. This helps consumers to choose the right pencil for their needs. Step 4. Packaging and distribution. The final step in the pencil making process is packaging and distribution. The pencils are typically packaged in boxes or tubes and distributed to schools, offices, and retail stores. Now let's take a look inside an actual pencil factory. A typical pencil factory is a large, well-lit facility with specialized machinery for making pencils. The factory floor is usually divided into several areas, including graphite production, pencil assembly, and packaging. The graphite production area is where the graphite core for the pencils are made. This is done by first mixing the powdered graphite with clay and other binders. The mixture is then pressed into a thin rod shape and dried. The pencil assembly area is where the graphite cores are inserted into the wooden casings. The pencils are then painted and labeled. The packaging area is where the finished pencils are packaged and prepared for distribution. The entire pencil making process is highly automated with machines doing most of the work. However, there are still some tasks that require human hands, such as quality control and packaging, to ensure that only high-quality pencils are distributed. Each pencil undergoes a rigorous quality control check before it is packaged. This helps to ensure that each pencil is sharp, durable, and writes smoothly. The people who work in a pencil factory have a wide range of skills and expertise. The graphite technicians are responsible for producing high-quality graphite cores for the pencils. They must be able to operate the specialized equipment used in graphite production. Pencil assemblers are responsible for assembling the pencils by inserting the graphite cores into the wooden casings. They must have good hand-eye coordination and attention to detail. The packaging team is responsible for packaging the finished pencils and preparing them for distribution. They must be able to work quickly and efficiently to meet production deadlines. Overall, the pencil making process is a fascinating one that involves a complex series of steps and skilled workers. From the mining and processing of graphite to the assembly and packaging of finished pencils. Each step is critical to producing a high-quality product that consumers demand. So the next time you pick up a pencil to write or draw, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that went into making that simple tool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. We'll see you next time.